Okay guys, yeah, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use a TikTok filter. So let's get started. Now let's go to TikTok. You open your TikTok. Oh, sorry guys, before my TikTok open, please guys do me a favor, subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you. That is our TikTok. Now you want to post using your TikTok filter. Click on the plus menu button here. Now this is it. If you look at this, let me show you my tab. Sorry guys. Now if you look at all this menu, there's no any filters here. So what we're going to do is, because on the photo, so you have to use your, I'm going to use, you can see now this is the filters here. Just click on the filters. Sorry guys, this is the filters here. This is the symbol for the filters. Okay guys, on the photo the filter is not here, and if you just click into the video, this is the filters. You can see now you can change any filters here. This is it. You can see, so this is how you use it. Just click on it. So you cannot filter a picture, but once it's a video you'll be able to use your filter. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.